together for a year and a half, and he's going through a whole bunch of shit. Pardon me for saying that.
No. Go.
Pardon me for saying that, but like, oh man, he let loose on my ass tonight, and I'm not having it.
Okay. All right.
I got kicked in the face.
Okay.
Kicked in the face.
That you know of, there's no guns,
No,
anything in there?
ma'am,
Okay.
no.
We just have to double check.
Yeah.
I know, baby. You guys are doing your job.
Alright, stay right here.
Yes.
Stay right here.
Go get him. I swear to God, there's nothing for you guys to be afraid of.
Okay.
What's his name?
George.
George? Alright.
There's nothing for you guys to be afraid of. I swear to God, I'm done with his ass, dude. He beat the fuck out of me tonight. And I'm done with it. I have to go to work tomorrow.
What's up, George?
Hey, what's up?
You want to talk to us? Go outside.
Come on, man.
You see my eye?
I do see your eye.
He kicked me in the fucking face.
Okay, tell me how it all went down from beginning to...
Yes, my love.
Okay.
Okay, so we were having a really good day, and we went across the street to Muldoon's, and everything was good and fine and dandy, and because I talked to another guy because he left, came in there, and I got so mad, because I asked for a cigarette from another guy because he took my license, my debit card, and everything, cigarettes, everything, took everything.
Okay.
So I asked someone for a cigarette, and it happened to be a guy. So he walked in and got super pissed because I asked for a cigarette from another guy. I came home. Mind you, my car is across the street still.
Okay. So you get home. You go inside.
Oh man, let loose.
Okay, elaborate. So you open the door. What happens from there?
I'm a whore.
He starts calling you names? Okay.
When I say ragdoll, do you know what that is?
I know what a rag doll is.
Oh man, I was ragdolled.
Okay, but I need
kicked me
you.
in the face.
Okay, I need you to elaborate. Like, you walk into the house. Did you start arguing? He started calling you names. You said he was calling.
No, I walked out. I walked in and I walked to the back. I just wanted to smoke a cigarette and just go to sleep. I just literally wanted to I'm gonna smoke a cigarette. I'm gonna go to sleep.
And then as you're making your way to the back, what happened?
I got caught on the stairwell.
You got caught on the stairwell. So he caught you on the stairwell. And what did he get in front of you? Started confronting you, telling you anything? What happened?
It was bad.
Okay. Elaborate, Miss Sarah. I need you to tell me exactly what happened so I can help you.
My heart is like, I don't want him to get in trouble, but fuck, I'm tired of being beaten up.
Okay. I understand. I'm trying to help you out, but
I know
need
you are. I know you are.
I need you to elaborate a little bit. So,
I swear
in
to
the
God,
stairwell,
dragging me down the stairs.
dragging.
I went upstairs, tried to get in the bed. I just wanted to go to sleep. I just wanted to go to sleep. I just wanted to go to sleep. I didn't make it to the bed. He caught me in the upstairs.
Like in the hallway?
Beating the fuck up. That's all I can say.
Okay, what do you mean? Like, I see your eye. What you said he kicked you in the eye.
That's what this foot.
Were you on the floor when he kicked you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how did you get to the floor? Did he push you? Did he pull you? How?
Normally what I do is, because he does it so often, I just go to the floor. So I'm pretty sure, I don't really recollect. I went to the ground.
Okay, and then that's when he
I'm
kicked
so sorry.
No, that's fine. I don't mind. So you went down to the ground.
Yes, that's what I do.
Did he kicked you with which, do you recall which foot?
Right.
Right foot, okay.
Heel.
His heel. Okay. And you say you've been together
I'm a
for...
whore. because I asked for a cigarette because he left my ass and my car is across the street.
Okay. You said you've been together for about a year?
And a half.
A year and a half.
Yes.
Okay. Live together, obviously.
Yes.
Okay.
I just recently went through a divorce. He's been there with me. He knows all the story, blah, blah, blah. But
I know. I'm just trying to...
This sucks. And I have to go to work tomorrow.
Do you want the fire department to come out check your eye?
Baby.
No? Okay. Okay. Do you want to press charges? You can smoke your cigarette if you want.
Can I talk to you, though?
You're talking to me by myself.
I don't want him to be taken out. Please put the fear of the police.
So you don't want to press charges? Okay. Do you want to fill out any paperwork? Do a statement? No? Okay. Smoke your cigarette. Sit down, smoke your cigarette.
I don't want him to get in trouble.
Okay.
But he's fucked up.
I know.
You guys have actually been out here twice now. Look at this shit. You fucking rips my shit all the time.
Did this happen today?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, I see it. It's ripped and I'm down there a little bit.
I just bought this yesterday.
I get it. Sit down. Smoke your cigarette.
Pardon?
Do your thing. No, it's fine. Do you have an ID with you? Is it in the house? Okay, we'll go find it later.
I know my number if you want it.
Oh, that's perfect. Go for it. First name is spelled S-A-R-A-H. Do you have a middle name?
Catherine. K-A-T-H-R-Y-N.
K-A-T-H...
R-Y-N.
R-Y-N. Okay. What's your last name?
Boone. B-O-O-N-E.
Date of birth?
10-10-7-7.
I get it. Just make sure not to squeeze my arm anymore. Do you have a telephone number?
407.
407?
716.
716?
8684.
8684?
Yes.
Email address?
SKP.
SKP underscore
1-800.
1-800
at yahoo.com.
at yahoo.com.
Sorry.
No, that's cool. I get it. I get it. Sit down, smoke your cigarette, try to relax a little bit. I'm going to take pictures of you in a little bit. Alright?
Thank you.
No problem.
The other side. Am I going to spend the whole night over there?
When it comes to... Have a seat. We'll talk. When it comes to domestic-related stuff, man...
Yeah.
You'll probably sit in there for a day, okay? Yeah, I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to lie to you, all right? You're going to probably sit in there for a day, maybe 2. All right? Well,
2 days?
Possibly. It's all up to the judge. All right. This is the thing is that the reason why they do that, man, is because when it's domestic related, all right, y'all are dating. This is still dating violence, still domestic violence.
Yeah.
Okay. They got to make sure they keep y'all separated long enough to where nobody's gonna come home and kill each other. You know, I know that might not be your intention. That's the majority of the domestic violence and dating violence, battery calls that we deal with. That never happens. But there's always that one out of many that will do it. So that's why you'll probably sit in jail for maybe a day or 2. Okay? All right, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, just keep being cooperative, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you want your phone?
Yes. Make
Keys.
sure you guys lock the back door, man.
We got you. Don't worry. We'll take care of that. You go by Junior, you go by George.
George.
Is it George or is it Jorge?
Jorge.
Jorge. All right.
George.
Hey man, I'll call you by your name. Well, you want George? Okay, I'll call you George.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Hey, Sarah, you mind putting down the cigarette so I can take a few other pictures?
You need me?
Yeah, just stand up for me. Face my car that way. The car is that way. Hands behind your back.
For what?
For battery domestic.
Me?
Both of you.
What does that mean?
Battery domestic violence. You two hitting each other. Doesn't go down like that. Alright? Walk towards that car. County 125. I have a white female secured. You don't have anything that's going to poke me, stick me, cut me? Okay. Put your chest on that flag and stay there for me.
Is this for real?
This is for real.
Why?
I already explained to you. Chest on flag. That should probably not be together, but that's not my business.
Yes, ma'am.
So, stuff like this happens, and I have to step in.
Why am I in trouble?
Spread your feet. Spread your feet apart.
Why am I in trouble though?
Because of the marks he has all on his neck and the inconsistencies of the story.
That's me fighting back.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay, step back a little bit.
I'm good.
I still gotta check you though.
Why? Because I fucking fought back?
No, because everybody that goes in my car gets checked. No matter who you are.
No. I mean, like, seriously, like, I literally just started my job a week ago.
Okay. Go ahead, sit down for me. Sarah.
I literally just started my job a week ago.
Phone. Her phone's over there?
It's in your front seat.
Okay. Thank you.